Hi friends, this is Gaura Gopal Panda. Hopefully this is my first YouTube video. I haven't made earlier and I will not tell you to like, subscribe and comment on my channel until and unless you like it. If it's going up for, if this content is going up in for of you, then you like, subscribe and comment. Okay friends, the first and foremost thing is that I want to put light on is that the so-called motivational seminars which has been prevailing and they're telling that to deal with our personal problem. Okay, problem. If there is a problem, the person has created that. The person himself has its own solution. Uh, Another person can solve that until and unless the person himself solves that. Okay. The motivational seminar. The pass around starts from 400 till 10,000 to 20,000 per pass. It's all our sweated money which we are vesting on a higher scale in back of them, and they enjoys our sweated money as a source of bread and butter for them. Never ever listen to that, because you self motivation is first required than be getting motivated by some people or any other people. Because अगर आप वो चीज़ खुद नहीं जानोगे, खुद नहीं देखोगे, आप कुछ बड़ा लाइफ में अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे. Self motivation is highly required until and unless you prepare your mind that I have to do this and become decisive in your personal life. Okay. For example, if you have seen most of the people in our society, वो क्या करते हैं ना, वो अपने तारीफ अपने मुंह से नहीं करते, अपना तारीफ वो दूसरों के मुंह से ज्यादा सुनने को पसंद करते हैं. Why? Have they achieved the thing? Have they achieved the thing? The big thing you have achieved. If you have achieved the big, then why you feel shame on telling that? Why you feel? Why you tell that what the struggle I have done to achieve that? Why you are telling your key of success to others? Has it has any value? No, there is no value. People will listen and people will have sympathy for you that you have achieved that thing. Become sympathetic is the biggest crime you are committing. Never be sympathetic in front of any people. And what you have achieved, show to the world. If you are not advertising, if you are ashamed to advertise it, then you are the most failure, because the winner never ever keep the secret that he have achieved something. He openly tells that I have win this thing, and he never tells the failure he have tested. Let people die for that failure what you have done. अगर आपने किसी चीज के एडवर्टाइज देखा होगा तो उसमें वो जो अचीव करते हैं उसको ही सिर्फ दिखाते हैं, वो करने के लिए कितना स्ट्रगल किया है वो नहीं दिखाते. बिकॉज they have won that thing and they have achieved that. So why to show people the thing which is unless and which is totally useless? Why I will show my struggle? Why I will tell that this thing I have compromised, I don't have money, I don't have pant shirts? Why I will tell? What's the requirement to tell? Why I will not tell that I am wearing a pant of Killer or Levi's? Why I will tell that when I was young I was wearing a pant of Rax? Why I will tell? Because to have sympathy is a source of income in our present scenario. And the people who feel more sympathy, they give more money to them because they want to know the key to success. आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. आपको प्यास लगा है, आप मुझे आके बोलते हो भैया मेरे को प्यास लगा है, प्लीज शो मी द वे टू द वेल. In my motto, I will not bring that well to you. I will show you the path, go, and I will not tell the struggle what I have done to reach the well. There are the motivators who will bring the well to you. They will give the key to success. Why I will give until and unless there is no requirement of? Why I will tell? Let the people go. Let the people face the same struggle what I have faced. Because until and unless he tested this struggle, he can't achieve more in his life. Never ever he can achieve. Let him test that. Let him feel that. अगर आप कभी नहीं चखे हो वो स्ट्रगल, आप अगर नहीं गिरोगे, आपके पापा मम्मी आपको हमेशा पकड़ के चलना सिखाएंगे, तो आप कभी अपनी जिंदगी में अच्छे से चल नहीं पाओगे. Until and unless you fail, you have hurt yourself, and let people know your success. आप अपने मुंह से अपना तारीफ करना सीखो, and don't tell the useless struggles what you have done. Every people knows that in order to achieve big, we have to lose something, because life is not a full bed of roses. It's a mixed match of a bed of thorns and bed of roses. अगर भगवान आपको वो रोज दे देंगे तो आप कभी थ्रोन्स के मतलब नहीं समझोगे. अगर भगवान आपको हमेशा थ्रोन्स देंगे तो आप हमेशा ही रोते रहोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये चीज को मैं थोड़ा एलैबोरेटली आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट गर्मी के मौसम में आइसक्रीम अच्छा लगता है, सर्दी के मौसम में नहीं. डू दैट थिंग व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड. डू दैट थिंग ओनली. नेवर टेल योर सक्सेस, ऑलवेज शो इट. लेट पीपल नो फ्रॉम इट दैट आई हैव अचीव्ड दैट. व्हाई आई विल टेल दैट आई हैव स्ट्रगल्ड दिस दैट? व्हाई? इट्स नो रिक्वायरमेंट टू टेल. इट्स वर्थलेस टू टेल. Okay, if you have enjoyed it, hopefully I will be posting my next videos. Let's see if I can bring a better change in my society. In this intro I want to signing out Gora.